it on the back. Now we have some more numbers to do. So let's do 19. Allie's going to help us do 19.
Okay, guys, you can kind of tell how many tens there is.
Trace the number first.
Yeah, you can kind of tell from the number the tens number. You can kind of tell also from these. There's 1 10. And how many ones? Oh.
There's 9, so you got to do 9 in the bottom 10 frame.
There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Have one more left and draw 9. Okay. Did you do it, guys? Now draw 19.
1 10. And 9 ones. No. Like, see, we all make mistakes. We do 1 10 and then 9
ones.
Like that. Okay. So try the next one, 13.
13. There's 3 leftovers. 1, 2, 3. There's 1 10 and 3 ones. Okay, now 1 and 1, 2, 3. Okay. The next one is 15. Now draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. Okay, now draw it. And then there's 5 ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, guys. Next one is 18. 1 10 and 8 ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 1 10 and 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, guys, the next one is 20. So there's 2 10s, so draw another 10, and there's 0 ones. So 5 and 5. Okay, so 2 10s and 0 ones. So 1 and 2. And now draw. Nothing.
No ones, so they put blank. Good job, Allie. All right, make sure your paper is done. Put it in the basket and do your dream box.
Give yourself a heart, star, smiley face, whatever makes you feel that you did it. Thank you, boys and girls. Bye.
All right, boys and girls, today we're going to practice our numbers. We're going to practice writing them and then doing the 10 frames and the 10s and 1s. So we have a lot that we're doing, and we're also going to be doing place value. So the first thing I want you to do is start by writing your name. So write your name at the top of your paper. And the first number we're going to start with is 11. So trace the number 11. Then we need to make our 2 10 frames show 11. So we're going to draw a circle in this box because that makes 11. Then we're going to write 1 10 and 1 1. And we're going to draw a 10 stick and 1. There's 11. Now we're going to do it for 14. Trace the 1 and the 4. That makes 14. So I need 1 full 10 frame and then how many dots? 4. So draw 4 dots. Then we're going to write a 1 and a 4 because that's 14, 1 10 and 4 ones. And then draw 1 10 and 4 1 1. 4 1 1. 4 1 1. 4 1 1. 4 1 1. 4 1 1. 4 1 1. 4 1 1. 4 1 1. 4 1 1. 4 1 1. 4 1 1. 4 1 1. 4 1 1. 4 1 1. 4 1 1. 4 1 1. 4 1 1. 4 1 1. 4 1 1. 4 1 1. 4 1 1. 4 1 1. 4 1 1. 4 1 1. 4 1 1. 4 1 1. 4 1 1. 4 1 1. 4 1 1. 4 1 1. 4 1 1. 4 1 1. 4 1 1. 4 1 1. 4 1 1. 4 1 1. 4 1 1. 4 1 1. 4 1 1. 4 1 1. 4 1 1. 4 1 1. 4 1 1. 4 1 1. 4 1 1. 4 1 1. 4 1 1. 4 1 1. 4 1 1. 4 1 1. 4 1 1. 4 1 1. 4 1 1. 4 1 1. 4 Now we're going to do 17. So trace 17. So we have a 110, so we're going to do how many extra? 7. Very good. So draw 110, 7 ones. Then we're going to do it again. 1 10 stick and 7 ones. Good. Now we're going to do the next number. What is the next number? 12. 1 and a 2. So we have 1 full 10 frame, 2 extra. So we put a 1 and a 2. Very good. Now let's draw 1 10 and 2 ones. And what is the last number on this side? Yeah, 16. So let's do 1 and a 6. So we have 1 full 10 frame and we're going to do 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 1 and 6. Now let's draw it. 1 10 and 6 ones. Nice.